Walnut oil, a culinary treasure and a beauty elixir, has been cherished for centuries for its remarkable health and wellness properties. Derived from the heart of the walnut, this oil is a testament to nature's power to nourish and heal. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of walnut oil and uncover its secrets. From ancient civilizations to modern science, walnut oil has captivated hearts and minds alike. Its versatility knows no bounds, extending from the kitchen to the medicine cabinet. I'm excited to share my insights on how to incorporate this gift from nature into your daily routine. Whether you're a health enthusiast, a beauty aficionado, or simply someone looking to enhance your well-being, walnut oil offers something special for everyone. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery as we unlock the magic of walnut oil together. Walnut oil isn't just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies crave. Let's break down the components that make this oil so extraordinary. First and foremost, walnut oil is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. These healthy fats are crucial for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. In addition to omega-3s, walnut oil boasts a significant amount of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This vitamin is vital for maintaining healthy skin, eyes, and a strong immune system. Let's not forget about the essential minerals found in walnut oil. It contains trace amounts of magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, all of which play vital roles in various bodily functions. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function. Phosphorus is essential for strong bones and teeth, and potassium helps regulate blood pressure. With this impressive nutrient profile, it's no wonder walnut oil has earned its reputation as a health-promoting superfood. Incorporating this oil into your diet is a delicious and easy way to nourish your body from the inside out. Walnut oil's history is as rich and nuanced as its flavor. For centuries, civilizations worldwide have recognized its value, both as a culinary staple and a therapeutic remedy. Let's travel back in time to explore its fascinating past. In ancient Persia, walnut oil was a delicacy for royalty. As trade routes expanded, so did the reach of walnut oil. In Rome, it was enjoyed for culinary and medicinal properties. During the Middle Ages, it was a sought-after commodity in Europe, used in cooking, lamp oil, paints, and wood finishes. Today, walnut oil holds a special place in traditional medicine. Its enduring legacy is a testament to its remarkable properties. From ancient empires to modern kitchens, it continues to captivate our senses. When it comes to heart health, walnut oil emerges as a true champion. Its unique composition of healthy fats, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds makes it a valuable ally in the fight against cardiovascular disease. As we discussed earlier, walnut oil is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA. These essential fats have been shown to reduce triglycerides, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of blood clots, all of which are crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. But the benefits don't stop there. Walnut oil also contains monounsaturated fats, such as oleic acid, which can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, while raising HDL, good cholesterol levels. This balance is essential for preventing plaque buildup in arteries, reducing the risk of heart attack and stroke. The antioxidants present in walnut oil, including vitamin E and polyphenols, provide further protection for our cardiovascular system. These powerful compounds combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two major culprits in the development of heart disease. By incorporating walnut oil into a heart-healthy diet, you can nourish your body with the tools it needs to maintain optimal cardiovascular function. Remember, a happy heart is a healthy heart. Section 5. Walnut oil, nature's solution for radiant skin and hair. The benefits of walnut oil extend far beyond internal health. It also works wonders for our skin and hair. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids, this oil is a true gift from nature for achieving a radiant and youthful glow. Let's start with skincare. Walnut oil's moisturizing properties are exceptional thanks to its high content of linoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acid. This essential fat helps strengthen the skin's barrier function, preventing moisture loss and keeping it soft and supple. Furthermore, the antioxidants in walnut oil, particularly vitamin E, protect the skin from environmental damage caused by free radicals. These damaging molecules contribute to premature aging, wrinkles, and age spots. By neutralizing free radicals, walnut oil helps maintain a youthful complexion. Now let's move on to hair care. Walnut oil can work wonders for dry, damaged, or brittle hair. Its moisturizing properties nourish the scalp and hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth and preventing breakage. I've personally witnessed the transformative power of walnut oil on my patients' skin and hair. Many have reported a noticeable improvement in their complexion, with reduced wrinkles, increased elasticity, and a healthy glow. Similarly, those who incorporated walnut oil into their hair care routine experienced softer, shinier, and more manageable hair. Section 6. The chef's secret ingredient enhancing flavors with walnut oil. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds as we venture into the culinary realm of walnut oil. This versatile oil adds a unique depth of flavor and aroma to dishes, elevating your culinary creations to new heights. Walnut oil possesses a delicate, nutty flavor that complements a wide range of ingredients. It's best used in its raw form, drizzled over salads, pasta dishes, or roasted vegetables, to preserve its delicate flavor and nutritional integrity. One of my favorite ways to use walnut oil is in salad dressings. Its nutty flavor pairs beautifully with balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and a touch of honey for a simple yet elegant dressing. The oil's subtle richness also complements the flavors of roasted vegetables, such as butternut squash, Brussels sprouts, and sweet potatoes. For a touch of indulgence, try drizzling a teaspoon of walnut oil over your favorite pasta dish just before serving. It adds a luxurious richness and enhances the flavors of the other ingredients. While walnut oil is best enjoyed raw, it can also be used in baking. However, it's essential to use it sparingly and at low temperatures, as high heat can damage its delicate flavor and nutrients. Section 7. Everyday rituals, simple ways to embrace walnut oil. Incorporating walnut oil into your daily routine doesn't require drastic changes. Small, consistent steps can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Here are a few simple yet effective ways to embrace the magic of walnut oil. 1. The morning elixir. Add a tablespoon of walnut oil to your morning smoothie or yogurt. 2. The salad enhancer. Drizzle your salads with a homemade walnut oil dressing. 3. The vegetable booster. Toss roasted vegetables with walnut oil, salt, and pepper. 4. The skin savior. Pamper your skin with a weekly walnut oil face mask. 5. The hair hero. Treat your hair to a nourishing walnut oil scalp massage. Consistency is key. Start small and gradually incorporate walnut oil into your daily rituals. Section 8. A word of caution, navigating allergies and sensitivities. While walnut oil offers a myriad of health and beauty benefits, it's crucial to be mindful of potential allergies and sensitivities. Individuals with known nut allergies, particularly to tree nuts, should exercise extreme caution when using walnut oil, even topically. Allergic reactions can range from mild skin irritation to severe, life-threatening anaphylaxis. If you're trying walnut oil for the first time, it's essential to do a patch test before incorporating it into your diet or skincare routine. Apply a small amount of oil to a small area of skin and wait 24 hours to observe for any adverse reactions, such as redness, itching, or swelling. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their healthcare provider before using walnut oil, as its effects during these stages are not fully understood. By prioritizing safety and being aware of potential sensitivities, you can enjoy the benefits of walnut oil while minimizing any risks. Always consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional if you have any concerns or experience any adverse reactions. Section 9. Embrace the magic walnut oil for a healthier, more vibrant you. As we conclude our exploration of walnut oil, it's clear that this liquid gold is more than just a culinary delight. It's a true gift from nature, offering a wealth of health and beauty benefits. From its remarkable nutrient profile to its historical significance and versatile applications, walnut oil has earned its place as a staple in a holistic approach to well-being. Whether you're seeking to improve your heart health, enhance your skin's radiance, or elevate your culinary creations, walnut oil provides a natural and delicious solution. Embrace the magic of walnut oil and experience the transformative power of nature's elixir. Incorporate it into your daily routine, explore its culinary potential, and unlock a world of health, beauty, and vitality. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results. Start incorporating walnut oil into your life today and embark on a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you.